How to create a download button in Google Sites. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to create a download button in your Google Sites, here's what you need to do. So just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Google Sites just like this. So once you click on that link, you will arrive to first link. Just click on this and make sure you are logged into your account and simply open up any of the random template file or simply create a new one and just click on this insert button over here, and under the right section you will see the option called button. So once you click on button, you can name it anything you want, like let's say download here, and to include a link you can basically choose any of the link. Let's say I want to choose a link from my Google Drive file, which is a Google form. So you can also actually right click on it and make sure you have set it this anyone with the link option for the responder view, so that anyone you shared this link with can easily open that. And so next thing what I will be doing is, since I have made it publicly visible, I will simply copy the link of my document from over here, from the URL as well. And once I copy the link, I'll simply paste the link from over here and simply click on insert, and just like that, whenever user click on this download button, they will be redirected to this form where they will have to fill up that form. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.